What? What's happening? Who's raiding? If only I had a better raid alert. How do I fix my raid alert? I've already tried. Pint Science Jenkins, bringing the hearts. Yo, Pint Science Jenkins. This is what we're working on. This is page number 23. We're almost there. Whoa, living on a prayer. This is where Joseph gets sucker punched. And then they grab him and take him down to the cistern. And then they throw him into the cistern. He's falling. And then splat. Reaches the bottom of said cistern. So there you go. Welcome, people. Welcome, followers with Pint Size Chickens. I am Artsy Bible Nerd. I'm a Christian comic creator. Oh, you know what? I have a video. Want to see my video? Here it goes.
Joseph, favored son of Israel.
The road to Emmaus. On the third day after Jesus' crucifixion, 2 of his disciples were going to the village of Emmaus. While they walked and questioned each other, Jesus himself came near and walked with them, but their eyes were kept from recognizing him.
What are we going to do now?
I thought he was the one. Why are you walking and talking so sadly?
Don't you know the things that have happened recently in Jerusalem?
What things? The things concerning the prophet, Jesus the Nazarene. The priests and our rulers crucified him.
But we were hoping that he would redeem Israel.
And now it is the 3rd day since these things happened.
Also, some of the women from our group said that he was alive.
Foolish people. Didn't the prophets write that the Son of Man had to suffer these things in order to enter into his glory? Beginning from the law and the prophets, he explained to them in all the scriptures the things concerning himself. This is just one of the stories Jesus could have told. Consider the story of Joseph!
There you go. So we're finishing page 23 right the heck now, and you've shown up just in time for the reveal, well, almost in time, for the reveal of page 24. It's a long, slow, drawn-out reveal. Very nice, awesome, thank you. And as established, these rocks ain't gonna draw themselves. That's right, they ain't gonna draw themselves. How was your stream, pint-sized? What did you work on today? Oh, here's your shout out, by the way. Shout out at Pint-sized Jenkins. Were you doing more color by numbers today? Now, you may say to yourself, color by numbers? No. These are not the color by numbers that you're used to seeing your children do. These are very intricate. By the way, Pant-sized Jenkins didn't raid. Oh, I'm sorry. I should. Who should I? Clear Heart. Here we go. Yes, that's what I meant. I got the right person. I knew who I was talking about. Here we go. All better now. Here's your shout out, Clear Heart. Your stream went well. Was doing paint by numbers. Almost done with Beauty and the Beast. Rose/Globe. That sounds fascinating. I'm sure it's awesome. I'm sure it's very intricate the way that you do your paint by numbers. So now, after, see, what happens is, after I put in the background, I realized that the background is a little too overpowering for the foreground. It makes it a little too dark. And it is supposed to be dark. He's at the bottom of a cistern. These are the things that you don't realize are happening before the colors are applied. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. It's not the end. The coloring will come, and more decisions will be made during the coloring process. I can always tone down the black lines. Praying the test goes well. Oh, what did I miss? Finish the 7 lessons for food handler's license. Now to take the test. But first, to take a break. It's fascinating. Shigatsu is so relaxing to me. How are you doing today? Way to go, Pint Size. Praying the test goes well. Clear Heart has to lurk. Time to fix supper. Have a good supper, Lurk. Clear Heart. Trying to get these rocks done before 7 o'clock. Stay tuned. You will not want to miss page 24, the page 24 reveal. All right, bottom right corner. Still working on the bottom right corner. There we go. Getting there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bottom row. Can I do it? Will I be able to finish before 7 o'clock? 10 minutes to go.